Hi friends, in this video we're going to be showing you the procedure to upgrade your RAM hard drive of the Acer 4738Z. This process also applies for 4749 and 5749. As you can see, we have a 4738Z here, and we need to upgrade the RAM or the hard drive. We basically need to open the whole laptop actually. First thing that we need to do is to flip it, and we need to remove the battery here. This is the battery, as you can see. You just need to put it up and need to remove this battery. Now in this procedure we have to remove all the visible screws that you are seeing over here. Absolutely all the screws that you are seeing here have to be removed. We'll start from this side. Now we basically need to take this whole top panel out now for the hard disk to be coming out. Just need to start from this particular end here. Okay. And as you can see, the whole base panel comes out of the base of the laptop. And here you can see the RAM. You can just remove this RAM. This is basically a 2GB DDR3 RAM slot, and you can upgrade by just putting on this particular slot. And this is where the hard drive is. We just need to remove this particular strip that is connecting the USB to this particular motherboard connector. We need to put it aside, and then we need to open this thing up, and we need to just slide the hard disk towards our right, and the hard disk comes out. This is basically a SATA hard drive, 320GB or 500GB, supports up to 750GB as we have tested. 1TB is something that we have not tested as yet. You have to remove these screws over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the hard disk to be released. And you can remove this here and this here. You can just take another hard drive like this and just insert the same way. Coming to the DVD drive, this is where the DVD drive is, and you can just remove the DVD drive. It's got a SATA DVD writer here, and you have to remove these two screws and connect it to the base panel of another DVD writer, and again fit it. You can also remove the CPU fan if you're finding the laptop getting a little heated up, or wanting to clean up the motherboard CPU area by just removing these screws. We will not touch that. So this, my friends, was the procedure showing you how you upgrade your hard drive or the RAM or the DVD writer of your Acer 4738, which applies for the 4749 as well as the 5749. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my videos, and do let me know if there are any comments, suggestions on these. Thank you.